Hey guys, so what we have here today is a Windsor and Browne home studio collection. These things are super rare. I can't find any information or anything about these on the internet, but it's basically if you took like a Kmart Alaska and a Harbor Breeze Rainbow and combined them together, because it's got like the tiny G vents in it. I got a new box at Habitat. Here's the box. It has white blades, which is pretty odd, to be honest. But it's got a 3-speed reversible motor, I'm pretty sure. I'm guessing that's what the box says. But yeah, here's the pull chain noises for you. I really like this fan. I'm so glad I was able to find it at Habitat. But I'll give it a spin for you. This is probably going to be a fan that will go up in my bedroom someday. It's by far one of my favorite fans I have. Besides my Panama, that's probably my favorite fan that I have. I'll do videos of a couple of my other fans as well today. Here we go. I can spin it way faster when it has no light kit on it. Oh yeah, and I love spotlight kits for the reason being is because you can like adjust them however you want. Like you can have them like that, or you can just have them out like this. I'm gonna take the light kit off real quick because it has like no screws in it. And I'll show you it's spinning without the light kit on it. Oh, it's shaking. Yeah, that's about as fast as I can spin it. That's like an average high speed for a fan. I'm not sure if this goes faster when it's installed or if that's just the speed I'm able to spin it and it actually goes slower. I'll spin it the other way. Oopsies. But yeah, that's about it. I do have the original down rod for it as well. I'll look for it on my workbench or somewhere else. I don't know where it is, but I have the original down rod and everything. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll wait for it to spin down for you. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and bye.